Hello kids, welcome to our kids channel. Let's count numbers from 1 to 10. This is number 1. Repeat.
Number 1.
O-N-E 1. Can you count how many tomatoes are there?
1. 1 tomato.
Yes, there is 1 tomato. This is number 2. Repeat.
Number 2.
T-W-O-2. Can you count how many pizzas are there?
1, 2. 2 pizzas.
Yes, 1, 2. 2 pizzas. This is number 3. Repeat.
Number 3.
T-H-R-E-E. Can you count how many lamps are there?
1, 2, 3. 3 lamps.
Yes, 3 lamps. This is number 4. Repeat.
Number 4.
F-O-U-R. 4. Can you count how many apples are there?
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 apples.
Yes, there are 4 apples. This is number 5. Repeat.
Number 5.
F-I-V-E 5. Can you count how many watermelons are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 watermelons.
Yes. This is number 6. Repeat.
Number 6.
S-I-X. Can you count how many flowers are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 flowers.
Yes, there are 6 flowers. This is number 7. Repeat.
Number 7.
S-E-V-E-N. 7. Can you count how many cheese are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7.
Yes,
Cheese.
7. This is number 8. Repeat.
Number 8.
E-I-G-H-T. 8. Can you count how many brinjals are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 brinjal.
Yes. This is number 9. Repeat.
Number 9.
N-I-N-E 9. Can you count how many carrots are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yes, 9 carrots. This is number 10. T-E-N 10. Can you count how many strawberries are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 strawberries.
Yes. Now let us count together. Can you count with me? 1,
1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6,
7,
8, 9, 10. 1 watermelon.
1 watermelon.
2 watermelons.
2 watermelons.
3 watermelons.
3 watermelons.
Can you count with me? 1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
3 watermelons.
Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4.
4
Watermelons.
Watermelons.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 watermelons. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 watermelons. Can you count this? 1,
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 watermelon. Can you count this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 watermelons. Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 watermelons. Now
One,
count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 watermelons.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.